What's going on, everyone? Gilman with NIO Stocks back with another NIO update video. So we'll take a look at how NIO stock traded today, some key support and resistance levels that we're looking at based on how it's been doing, and kind of based on that, what we can expect the stock to do in the future. So if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel. It helps me out as I'm trying to grow, and comment down below if you're in NIO or what your thoughts on NIO are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So we'll get right into it. Great day for NIO, another 3% on the day, down a little bit after hours, but you can kind of see that it's still up nicely for the day. So let's take a look at kind of how it traded daily, and then we'll take a look at some more resistance and support levels that we were looking at and what we could have potentially coming up. And go from there. So right out of the gate, we saw a little bit of a sell-off. So if you guys remember, yesterday we closed in the mid 44s, pushed up a little after in pre-market, open in the mid 45s, right? So a little bit of a push up in the dollar, sold off into the 43.90s, which was kind of the low point for the day, and then we pushed up, hit VWAP, reject, hit VWAP, reject, make it above VWAP, below VWAP, and then the last time we make it above, it really pushes up. That's when we go from the mid 44s to kind of the mid 40 or the 46. I guess it closed right at 46 and then made a high of 46.45 in the after hours. So great day for NIO stock. As I mentioned, right, we were kind of taking a look at this line where we were making lower highs for a really long time, and I had these three lines drawn, especially after the offering. We wanted to see how low it could drop. Talked about this level right here 2 days ago, where it had good support hitting up against this line. Does it continue going down, or does it kind of break out of this resistance level? It broke out of that resistance level, which is great news for us. It's now making a higher high, higher low pattern for the past 3 days. Let me kind of draw that out for us, just based on the three candles that we have. Let's do this. So this can give us an indication of where the stock had headed. If it continues trading in this range, heads nicely up. Great news for those of us that are holding the stock. Remember, NIO Day is a little less than a month away, or about 3 weeks away at this point, rather. And so I think that's a great catalyst event that the stock could run into. I'm hoping, I think some of you guys asked me this yesterday, what do you see the price at end of year? I think by NIO Day, I'm hoping to see high 40s, hitting that 50 mark at least. Again, could be pullbacks along the way. Not saying we shoot from here to 50, but I definitely do see kind of the upside in this company. I'm long in this company. I own shares in NIO, full disclosure, as well as playing some vertical put spreads expiring in January. So I do expect it to be continuing up, and that's my sort of hypothesis on this. Let's take a look at some of the indicators as well while we're at it. So what we see today is we're nicely above both the 8 EMA and the 21 EMA and the 44s. So I think we do have good support at the 44s if we were to drop there, and then kind of the low of today, which was let's see, it was 43.90. So those are kind of the levels of support that I'm looking out for, as well as this line, to see if we can maybe sustain this line and continue making higher highs and hopefully higher lows as well. And then let's take a look at the hourly chart, and we'll see kind of what we see. So from an hourly chart perspective, right, as you can see, from 12.14, this 39 high, which when we got news that that's when the offering was going to be priced at, we've been making really good progress moving upwards. Now there is a little bit of resistance that I see coming up kind of in the 47s, right, in the 47.50s. So let me draw a quick line right there, and that's kind of, that's assuming we can get through some of these 46s as well. But if we go back here, let me get rid of the indicators and it'll be easier to see, right? We tried hitting up against the 12.8 before, this overall pattern of making lower highs kind of kicked in. So that's something that I'm watching. As you can see right there, there was also a lot of consolidation happening, unable to really stay above it. Even the kind of hourly candles where it got above, it ended up being below. Same thing right there. So I think we do have some resistance coming up kind of in the 47, like mid 47s. So that's something to watch out for if we push up tomorrow. Or we could see a little rest day for NIO. Now a lot of this NIO movement also could be due to the excitement of Tesla. So if Tesla pulls back after the S&P inclusion, that's something to also be mindful of. But I'll continue monitoring it. I'll continue updating you guys on it as well, and then we'll kind of see where we see it go in the next couple of days, weeks. Hopefully it runs into NIO Day, like I said, but only time will tell. So we'll keep monitoring it and hopefully making some money along the way. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop that like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what your thoughts on NIO are. Let me know if there's what plays you're making with NIO, and we can chat down in the comment section. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.